Pemirsa, orang tua Afif Mesil, warga asal Amerika yang hilang saat bermain paddleboard atau berselancar di perairan Mushroom Bay Beach, Pulau Nusa Lembongan, Kabupaten Klungkung, berharap anaknya segera ditemukan. Afif Mesil, yang masih berumur 23 tahun, diketahui hilang setelah terseret arus besar saat berselancar pada 17 Juni lalu. Dan kini proses pencarian masih dilakukan.
Orang tua Afif Mesil, Jordan Wayne Mesil, asal Amerika Serikat merasa terpukul setelah mendapat informasi hilang putranya. Diketahui pada 17 Juni 2019, Afif Mesil menginap di Hotel Garden Nusa Lembongan, bermain selancar dengan menggunakan papan selancar berdiri dengan pedal di perairan Mushroom Bay Beach, Pulau Nusa Lembongan. Afif berselancar menggunakan papan selancar berwarna hitam di bagian atas dan putih di bagian bawah. Diduga terkena ombak besar, korban yang memiliki seorang saudara perempuan tersebut menghilang. Jordan Wayne Mesil berharap putranya segera ditemukan. Saat ini upaya pencarian masih dilakukan dengan melibatkan petugas SAR, kepolisian maupun bantuan dari tim SAR internasional.
Yes, my son Aviv Mesil went paddleboarding at Mushroom Bay on Nusa Lembongan on last Monday, June 17th at 2:30 in the afternoon. He was swept, he went out, and a very strong current, swept him away. And since then, he has not returned. Yes, we believe that he is alive. He and his board have not yet been found. The sea is very big. The coasts are very, very big. I request from all of you who go out to sea and along the beaches, please keep an eye open and look for my son Aviv. He might be injured and needing someone to save him. Please look for him. Yes, we were first informed by the U.S. Consul Agent Joe Curtis, who's the U.S. Consul Agent in Bali, and we have the police reports from Nusa Penida.
Your son?
Yes, especially the Marine Police and also Basarnas, and there is also a private search and rescue team, an international search and rescue team that have been looking for him since.
Diharapkan masyarakat yang menemukan korban agar segera menyampaikan kepada pihak kepolisian terdekat maupun keluarga korban. Tim Liputan Bali TV.